So today in this video, we are going to see about runtime polymorphism and how we are going to achieve it. So in last video, we have seen the compile time polymorphism and the methods to achieve it. So here, runtime polymorphism is nothing but the method call is resolved during the runtime. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved using the method overriding. Okay, this method is also known as dynamic polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch. Okay, so it is a technique which is over method call is resolved dynamically at the runtime. We can use it using the method overriding and we can also call it as upcasting. Okay, so today in this video, we'll see how we are going to achieve this runtime polymorphism with an example. Okay, what we'll do is we'll be adding a subclass to a method which is already present in the parent class so that a new functionality will be added to this method. That is, a base class method is overridden. That is, a parent class method is overridden over here. So that it will create a reference type of the base and then assign a child base object using a new keyword. Okay. So this is being achieved by using this upcasting. That is, a reference object of a parent class refers the object to the subclass. That is called as upcasting. Okay. Now let's see the program, how we are going to implement this runtime polymorphism. So first thing is I'm assigning the class name void print system.out.println upcasting print method. So in this program, what we are going to do is we are just going to have two classes, that is child1 and child2 classes, which will be derived from this upcasting. This is the parent class. Okay. So this is what we are going to do in this. So now I'm going to assign the child class. So I'm just giving child1, which is the extent of upcasting, that is from the parent class. So void print again. Now I'm just giving the system.out.println system.out.println. So here, instead of this upcasting, that is instead of this parent class, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the child class. So child 1. Clear? So now let's, child 1. Okay. So the same thing I have told you that we are going to create two class childs, right? So what I'll do is I'll just copy the same thing and I'll just paste it. Here I'm just naming it as child 2. Clear? So what is the next thing we are supposed to do is, so here, now I'm going to assign the main function, that is class main. Here, what I'm going to do is assign the public static void main. String args. Here, I'm going to upcasting the parent is equivalent to new upcasting. So again, parent dot print so again we have to assign for the same thing for the child class. So I'll just copy the same thing. Paste it twice because we are using two child classes. So parent is equivalent to new child one. And here upcasting parent is equal to child 2. So I'm just saving the program. Hope I have made everything clear. So what we are going to do is, first in the main method, we are creating a reference object of a parent class named upcasting, and we are assigning it to an object of parent class, and we are calling the print function. So we are repeating the same to the child class also. Now let's save this program and now let's run this program. So here you will just see upcasting is equal to print method. Next the child method is called and child 2 method is also called. Clear? So this is the achievement of overriding in polymorphism during the runtime. Clear? Hope you are clear with this topic. We'll see the next topics in the other sessions. Thank you. Have a nice day. So now let's write the program. First thing is we have to include the package, that is package overloading public class. Now I'm assigning the public class method overloading. I'm just opening the loops. So here I'm going to assign the private static void main function as display function of integer a. Again, I'm opening the loop and I'm just giving the system.out.println. So what is supposed to do is it has to print the arguments and which is plus a. So this is, it has to be supposed to print, and I'm assigning the private void main function, private static void main function display so here I'm assigning two integers, int a comma int b. So again, system dot out dot println. So here also the same thing, arguments, but here we have taken two integers, right? So arguments plus a plus and plus b. So This is the statement that I have given. And again, I am assigning the public static void as string dot args. So here comes the main function, that is display 1 and display 1, 4.